So basically, we can find the trend with technical. Means, for example, higher was broken. This is the investment. Market want to come down. It has to be mitigated. Then market move upside. If it is breakout structure, this is our trend finding theory. Am I right? This
Yes, sir.
is technical. This is technical. Sometime what will happen? Your change of capital will be here. Just imagine your change of capital was here. Market is coming like this. It is uptrend, but it's looking like downtrend. It is behaving like downtrend. Am I right? So how we can
Yes, sir.
find this is really it is moving upside or downside? So how we can trade in the kind of situation? So I can call it this is as a practical trend. Practical means trend is uptrend, but it is behaving like downtrend. Sometimes trend is downtrend. Sometimes trend is downtrend, but it was behaving like uptrend. So how we can
Yes, sir.
find this practical trend? We can find this practical trend with order flow. Means how? Simple thing is simple thing, very simple thing. If market coming like this, it moving upside this. Uptrend means what? Uptrend do? It has to be sweep pre. It has to be
Higher
sweep
high.
any swings. Any swings. Market has to be sweep any swings. It must respect bullish gaps. It must respect bullish gaps. Then only it will be uptrend. Otherwise not. That means what? First, suppose market needs to come down or mitigate any swings or any extreme fair value gaps. It has to be respect. Respect means what? Not the, like this. If it is candle was close here, it was reacting. It is just reaction. Okay, if you have any green candle, that means it's not respected. Respect means after mitigation the gap, we need again market need to create a another gap. This is we can call it as the respect. Means gap mitigation. It has to be create a new gap. Why? Gap means was stronger. If market mitigate the bullish gap, again it will create the bullish new gap. That means buyers are stronger. Am I right? So it has to be
Yes, sir.
move like this only. So for suppose from here, if it market moving upside, it one muscle should be needed create a gap. Why? That is only our confirmation. Am I right? That is our confirmation. After mitigating gap, again it need to be create a another gap somewhere. Okay. Again, if market moving upside with mitigation, unmitigated just whatever doesn't matter. So for suppose suddenly somewhere you have an extreme fair value gap like our target. So whatever it is, there is a target, there is chances to market will reverse. Yes, reversal. So we need to expect that. Okay, okay, no problem. Market is reversaling here. Okay, no problem. If market reversing with gap, okay. If market reversing with gap, okay. For suppose you have a gap on here, we have a gap on here left side. This gap was not respected. Imagine this point clearly. There is a gap. It was moving with gap. It is the first bullish gap we have. This gap was not respected. Means sometime it will look like this also. It was closed here. Even it was reacted. Again it was we get the candles like this two candles also. But still it was not create the gap. That means it was not pushed to upside. There is no strength. Then suddenly market will create downside with new gap like this. What will happen? Bullish gap was not respected. This bullish gap was not respected. Here is a bearish gap. This gap was respected. Am I right? That means
Yes.
respected means it was created a new gap. That means this is indicating fast indication. I am reversing market from here. Okay, what is the confirmation? It's sign, first sign. For suppose if market was close here, again it was trying to create a new gap. If it is creating a new gap, doesn't matter what gap it is. Yes, again market create a new gap. This is the sign, perfect sign. Market reversed. It will move until your liquidity level, maybe this level, it doesn't matter. Even it was uptrend, you can look for the sell trade. Market will reverse from here. How it will be behave? How it will be behaved. That means, for suppose you have an extreme fair value gap on here, you are expecting reversal from here. It is reacted from here. Even sometime it will give you reversal also. It will give you reversal also like this. Again it has to be pushed upside if it is wants to move upside. Okay, because it has to be break the first gap. If it is not broken, for suppose it was not broken, it was reacting. Market started again downside with new gap. Again, market create a new gap like this. But that means what? In uptrend, if it is a uptrend, okay, if it is a uptrend, it must respect what? It has to be sweep lows and respect bullish gaps. Is it happening here? No. It is sweeping some kind of ice and respecting bearish gap. So this is indication. Technically, trend is uptrend. It is practically trend is downside. Okay, you can easily find it. That's why you can expect. So market easily come to your target level or reversal level. It will come easily or level. But suppose you have any one kind of level is there. Okay, so market will come same like this. It will reacting like this. Okay. But suppose how do you know maybe market will reversal here? Easily same way you can find the same way. It will come with some gap. Doesn't matter what gap it is. It will come with gap. So this gap was not respected. It was close here. It will be reacted. Okay. Even it will try to reverse the market. It will try to create a multiple candle also. But see, if market wants to create a new gap, it has to be break this candle low. Otherwise, there is no chances. Yes. So that means there is indication I am not going to create a new gap. That means sellers are getting weaker. So if market creating another bullish gap from here, this is the indication market will turning your side. Now technically it's uptrend. Now practically it's uptrend. You can buy from here with confidently. You will get more probabilities. So market wants to come down. It mitigated. Then it will try to create a new gap. This is proper indication. Market will take a U-turn from here. So market will go up to your target level. This is the way you can find the practical trend. Okay. So it's look like easily downtrend, am I right? It is easily look like a downtrend. Yes. It, it has a really strong downtrend, but why we have like this much strong up bullish momentum? See, strong downtrend. Then why should we market creating the upside like this? See, higher highs, higher highs, higher highs, higher highs. Why it was creating? Okay. Let me check first. So, is it downtrend? How we can find it? It is downtrend or not? It has to be broke the lows and sweep the highs. That is the rule. Yes. See, it was a sweep the highs again starting moving downside. How it is starting downside? See, I will explain detailedly. Market wants to move downside. That means it has to be respect this bullish gap. So bearish gap. Yes. See, there is a bearish gap. One second. Here is a bearish gap. It was reacted on here, not respected. That means it is not pushed downside. That is the first side. That is the first sign buyers are entering. Am I right? So how you can confirm? How you can confirm these things? Here is a bullish gap. Yes, here is a bullish gap. See, these bullish gaps are respecting. See, again you have a bullish gap. It was mitigated. Again, market moving upside. Again, you have a bullish gap. This time not respected. But again, try to moving upside. Because why is trying to moving upside? There is a no bearish gap. There is a no bearish gap. That means what? After sweeping the liquidity, there is a no bearish gap means sellers are weaker. Yes, I'm right. So market went upside again, create the gap. Now see, it was mitigated, but unable to create a new gap. I'm right. This inducement level will sweep multiple times. This level will sweep multiple times. One time, two time, three time. It was sweep. So market is giving the reaction from here. This is the first bullish gap was disrespected here. Even it was not reacting from this level. This means this is disrespected. So immediately it was reversal here. Am I right? Here is the bearish gap. Market moving up downside. We have a unmitigated levels here. Still, it is not reacting from this level. See, it was broken, retested. Still, market moving downside. This is the way you can find market will move up to your level. Market is reversing in your side. The easy way, yes, you are reading it very easily. So until it is respecting, even you have a bullish gap here. See, even it was not respecting. That means what? It respecting only bearish gaps. That is the indication. That is the indication market will move downside. So when market started disrespecting the bearish gap, see, until this momentum we have, everything is respected until this level. This is the first bearish gap you have. It was even close the inside. We have, even it was reacting from the 50% level, but it not give any reaction to downside. That means buyers are trying to move upside. So what is the confirmation we have? This is the first sign. This is not a confirmation. We have a confirmation. Uh, Here we have a confirmation. We have a gap. Okay, no problem. It was also not respected. Still we have a chance to market move upside. How we can say that? It is the gap. Sellers are trying to push downside strongly, but unable to create another gap. Means if you have any gap like this, so it will continue downside. So there is a no gap. So market again started to creating gap upsides. We have a small gap, market moving upside. We have a gap, market mitigated, again moving with the gaps. See, again we have a gap, market is mitigating, moving upside. So this is the indication. So market sellers are here weak. How we can say that sellers are weaker? So we have extreme fair value gap, even it was not respected. It was try to create a small gap here. See, no, there is no gap actually. Because why there is no gap? If you think this is a gap, no, this is not a gap. Why? The major candle is this green candle. I'm right. This candle is inside candle, so there is no gap. So there is a no sellers gap. There is a no bearish gaps from here to here. Just it's a fake momentum. That means sellers are weaker. So again buyers are entered. So how do you know this momentum will happen? Simple thing. There is a no bullish gaps also. You have one gap here. It was reacted from here, but unable to create a new gap. That means buyers are so weak. So this level will be sweep. This level will be sweepable multiple times. Then sellers are started to create a new gaps in which is the direction of the trend. The direction of the trend, see, it was mitigated, again moving downside. It was mitigated, again moving downside. Until where? This level. Until broken this level. After breaking this level, what will happen? Again, you need to draw inducement level. We have an inducement level on here. Okay, we have an order block on above this level. So market will try to move up to this level. How would you know that? Simple thing, again and again and again. So there is any gap. Yeah, we have a small, no, we have a gap on here. Even it was not reacted immediately. It is trying to create a new gap. So market moving upside, moving upside, moving upside until your level. After sweeping these highs, markets after sweeping these highs multiple times started moving downside. So how would you confirm this level? Easy way. There is a no buyers. What's the mean by that? There's a no strong. There is a no gap in the swing. That means what we can say it is no resistance area. I'm right. That means buyers are getting weaker and weaker. So we have bearish gap. It was expected. Again moving downside. We have bullish gap. No respectation. Again bearish gap mitigation. New gap mitigation. New gap. Again gap mitigation. Again trying to create a new gap. So it will move downside easily. This is the way you can find why market is reversal. What is the which kind of confirmation we have? Everything indicating with this simple technique. If market sweeps highs respecting bearish gaps, that means indication it will move upside. If market sweep lows, it respecting bullish gaps, that means market will move upside until your key levels. Okay.